Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am testing out some new products that I received complimentary from Influenster for testing purposes. It's Maybelline's new Shine Compulsion lipstick and trying out one of their lip liners too. If you want to see how they go on and what's so special about these, just watch. These are the colors. This is a lipstick. It is Magenta Affair, and this is just a lip liner, and this is in brick red. Magenta Affair, brick red, whatever. Brick red. I'm afraid I'm gonna break it off. I am terrible. Does this even, look at this. Clearly I cannot trace my freaking lips at all. So that I just put on is Maybelline's lip liner, shaping lip liner in brick red. Brick red. Come on, this is like the worst. Brick red. I think I like the color, but I don't know how that's gonna look with Magenta Affair. Magenta is like pink and red. Whatever, I'm about to look like Valentine's Day. This is taking a look more at what it looks like. This thing, I'm gonna read the back of this card real quick. Introducing our first oil and lipstick with indulgent color and luscious shine. First oil and lipstick, 60% reflective oils. Are they reflecting? Probably, I guess. So this comes in 10 different shades, and I really like some of these. I wish they would have sent me some of these colors. Send me all the colors. I want to try all the colors. They look really pretty. And high shine color is available in a range of day to night colors. I guess honestly this looks like it's kind of night color, right? Would people wear this out at night, or is this like day? Like, this might be good for a bridal shower. I have one of those coming up. So what do I think about Maybelline's new Shine Compulsion lipstick, first oil and lipstick? I like it. It looks shiny. Obviously it's shining. It went on pretty smooth. I was a little nervous though because it is such a bright color, Magenta Affair, that I was worried that if I got it like on my other skin that isn't my lips, that it wouldn't come off, and luckily that didn't happen today. I'm sure we are not far away from that happening. I just get sloppy when I put things on sometimes. This shaping liner came in brick red. It was pretty hard to put on. It's not a pencil, it's one of those little twist up tops. I was worried that it was going to break. I don't know if I would wear this at work because it is just too much, I think, on camera. I usually stick to lip stains and that doesn't come off, but this, yeah, this comes off. So maybe you've used these products before, maybe you haven't, or you have a product that you really do love. Leave me a comment, like this video, and of course subscribe to my channel. Brick red, subscribe. Come hang out with me. I will probably have more times that I don't know how to talk. Right, Fred? Brick red, Fred. Okay, we're done.